Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. We have faded colors image. We will fix its color grade in easier way. After fixing this image looks like that. What is that easier way to fix colors tones of this image? Let's get started. Create levels adjustment layer. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate copy. Name screen for below layer. And multiply for above layer. Select the layer with the name screen. Change its blend mode from normal to screen. Make sure layer mask thumbnail is selected. Go to image and click on apply image. Uncheck invert then press OK. Select the layer with the name multiply. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Make sure layer mask thumbnail is selected. Go to image and click on apply image. This time check invert and click OK. Select both level adjustment layers. Press Ctrl+G to make group. Reduce opacity to 75%. Here is before faded colors image. And here after fixing its colors tone. This is very easier way to colors grade of an image. I hope you like this technique. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.